guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reset your graphic card driver on your Windows 11 PC or in your laptop. So for this guys, I am going to show you two methods. So first method is this guys, I am going to use the shortcut key to reset the graphic card driver. So just use the shortcut key, Windows Control and then hold Shift key button like this and then press B from your keyboard. Okay, so it will quickly reset your graphic card driver. So as you can see guys, when the screen was blink, so it means the graphic card driver was resetted. Okay, so just remember the shortcut key guys. Once again I am going to show you. Hold Windows key button, Control key button, Shift key button and then press B from your keyboard. So it will reset your driver. So this is the first method. Second method is this guys, right click on your start button like this. From here you need to open the device manager. Okay, like this. In the device manager you can also get the option to reset the graphic card driver. To reset the driver from the device manager, you need to uninstall and reinstall it. Okay, so just extend the display adapter, select your graphic card driver. So in my laptop I am using NVIDIA GeForce. Right click on it and then here you can get the option uninstall device. So just click on it. Okay, after doing this guys, right click on your display adapter and here you can get the option scan for hardware changes, or you need to restart your PC one time. So in case the graphic card driver was not reinstalling automatically, now you need to install it manually. Open the web browser on your PC and search your preferred graphic card driver and install it from that official website. Okay, so this is the two easy and simple methods. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.